Hello everyone and welcome to Mangal Educare. See, I introduce topics na preamble to the Constitution of India or preamble to the Indian Constitution having. So, mayam adum preamble matangda dum hanagi idea dum laibiramani. So briefly kitang preamble gi matangda ko India preamble matangda ko preamble of Indian Constitution matangda yam discuss on minasi. So the preamble to the Indian Constitution. Preamble is na kayo the Constitution of India gi matong ina. It's a kind of brief oiba introductory statement hana lawi ay masida ko gi Constitution gi guiding purpose, the principle amasung Constitution philosophy to set out to ba tare ko preamble se. Masina man na pi ba mai idea sing si matang katang discuss on si aham the source of the Constitution ko matang the date of its adoption, the nature of the Indian state, then statement my objective gi matang da sumaina point khara discuss tong binarasi ko my idea matang da. So ahamba the source of the Constitution. India ki source Constitution ti kaino we the people of India. Hadi khoi people of India we ko as khoi je kyam important hoy ge the source of Constitution se it's we the people of India. So the phrase that we the people of India habis na kai haninge hadi Constitution se kanana sabno hadi it is made by the people ko the Indian people and kanagi da makta for the Indian people. Aduga masi kai doge ha matam outside power na people power na teba. It is the power lies in the people of India hai baduni ko masida haining ise masi concepts na popular because the sovereignty hai ba kaidom masi concepts da lagtuni ko. So the source of the Constitution is the people of Indian or the Indian people hai tare ko. Mathang next my adoption gi matang da katang lakchage. So date of adoption the Constitution gi adum hana khangbiyam ne mayam 26 of November 1949 ko 26 of November 1949 my date of adoption hai tare aduga my came into force na kya 26 of January 1950 ko came into force ka adoption ka ko came into force hagana January 26 1950s ni ko aduga article ayamba 26 November 1940 yi matam jida article 394 haibase masi matam da hapki bani ko aduna article Article 394 ko Masida amasung Article 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the 60 at Articles 324, 366, 367, 379, 380, 388, 391, 392 amasung 393 sumain article mayam lai hari basing se khoi ngasai 26 November 1942 amukta masi matamda kahani at once lakhi bani ko aduga lehori remaining provision of the Constitution come into force lakhi bi karan kan lakhi 26 of January 1950 ko lehawa mai Constitution to provision mai to article sing maduna masi 26 January 1950 da helon tor ki bhai tare ko aduna masigi numil se kai haina kau ga di 26 of this November January 1950 se commencement of the Constitution haina su khangnei ko. So masigi numit se 26 January particular oina masig ka dawai select tau gi hai tar di 1930 matam ko 1930 matam 1926 January hai ba numit se khoi gi purna swaraj hai ba hadi declaration of Indian independence hai ba do madu proclaim tau gi bani ko khoi Indian National Congress na INC kanguna ko 1930 ki 26 January da Purna Swaraj or the Declaration of Indian Independence se observe to gimni maduna 26 January 1950 se madunu mitu lawraga mas Constitution commencement of this Constitution haina observe to giba haitare ko. Then mathangi point ang lage nature of the Indian state ko magi nature se khara laire kai kai habdi mayam mingar se ko aham da sovereign oiba socialist oiba secular oiba ko democratic oiba republic oiba haina laire. So hana yaurambadi just sovereign democratic republic haibise katani ko do kona koi 1976 ki 42nd amendment ek ki matung ina socialist amasung seculars add on toropani. So amuka hanijera ki ko masi sovereign haibise aham bada mai nature of Indian state sovereign oi ba haibadi kaina hamte India se internally amas externally but externally sovereign oi haibadi kamaino ori no haraga externally haraga di mai foreign power any foreign power na control la laite ma se free oina lay from the control of any foreign power. Internally kai mai free of a government am lai jai adu hariba government si kanana elect tau gi haitar directly elect tau madusu directly tau ni ko by the people of India and mai gi law su sem jai masina people do govern taunaba. So both internally externally ma se sovereign oina lay and no external power amtana government of India se detect over ya ko. So sovereign oina ma se both internal external sovereign oina lay re ko Indian state ki nature harab da mathang the socialist ki matang da kai socialism haibas kai no mas economic philosophy memni where kai production mas distribution se state na dum on tawsaba don India ne adopt or isna karam makhal economy na hadin mix economy ne ba kom duna magi private production to an laizakre so socialism se social philosophy amo oina kamai tawge ham ta social societal have equality le hale society equality le hale aduna mine stress tawbasu kai tawba society the equality thambado madune socialist ai se ko stresses more on the societal equality hai tare mathang secular oiba secular oiba haragadi kai features secularism se koi preamble kamaina emphasize to kamaina yauge hai taragadi state ki oiba masagi tunganda religion laizade duga any person ko person amantana magi freely ko mana pamjaba my choice ki religion make the profess to practice propagate tawjaba yai ko freedom of conscience le hel haiba masina secular oiba sina masigi matang da kitang example oina classic example on panba yarabad SR Bomai and others was the Union of India AR 1994 Supreme Court 19 मधुगी केस तुमा क्लासिक एग्जांपल होने सेक्युलर रोबगी मतंग द को नेचर से मधु पन बयार में मथंगी द डेमोक्रेटिक और नेचर democracy have ni ko democratic or nature je kamaina constitution mai gi masagi establish tau jai form of government se ko maduga mai authority se kadai de gi phangi from the people from the will of the people powers kadai lai so people alai tawi ba the rulers se kamaina elect tawi they are elected by the people aduga higher elect tawi ba mai gi rulers na responsible oi besu to the people na masina democracy gi idea democratic oi pa nature do indian state le haleba next ko last one this is a republic oi ba we monarchy have a system that the monarchy level the my head of the state say hereditary basis appoint the lifetime gi oina aduga ma je throne dei lokthok trbo dum man ning thawre leiba head ore leiba adubu democratic or republic the kamai taw gi hamatam the head of state say elect tawi either directly or bi indirectly or bi aduga ma gi tongan ba fixed term or tenure lei jaiba example oina harab da koi india gi tang da the president of india se ma se elect tawi ko election gi mating na by electoral college gi mating na aduga term leijari for example for the president of india it's a term of 5 years ai tare ko the post of this president of India is hereditary natre the sigi post the president of India si post si masigi da eligible o hele every citizen of India da hoi mai tungan ba eligible criteria lai gra dubu mainly every citizen of India si ma eligible o able to become the president of India so mai now sovereign socialist secular democratic republics mai na mai Indian nature Indian state ki nature haragadi masi se mayam khangbi ro ko objectives of the Indian state ko objectives se mari haina lai jare justice equality liberty fraternity haina hamam su mayam yengna si ko justice ki haragadi socially economically and politically justice lehenba social ground da economic and political homokta justice se serve tawba but equality equality ni kai kadai da miyo kudima ki equality is society da my status masung opportunity da equality o henba liberties na kadai da liberty henba liberty le henba liberties kai da my thought wakhan da man express also expression da my belief thaza da faith and worship ngasa any panjoki any religion freely my mana properly tawza ya have to liberty of thought expression belief faith and worship mathang last fraternity matang da fraternity ne kadai da fraternity atop bahai haragadi magi esum to magi meaning haragadi brotherhood haibas ni ko masina kai dohan gam da individual magi dignity se assure to hanba aduga nation ri oina koi country si oina unity and integrity of the nation madu lehenba nungshi chanana lehenba haibani ko unity ko and integrity lehenba adu individual oina magi dignity se assure to thambi ba sini magi koi Indian state ki objectives haragadi justice equality liberty and fraternity so these are the 4 important points kitang aina tang topa info kitang mention tau zaram ge ko khoi ga sagi khoi original constitution india pages atopai marak to preamble gi page se design and decorated tau gi pase ko solely by renowned painter ke Biohar Ramanohar Sinha of Jabalpur ko spelling is ijarake BEOHAR Biohar Ramanohar Sinha of Jabalpur ko asum panbya da khoi Supreme Court of India gi oina magi Kesavananda case recognize tau gi preamble se khoi embai guys area gi oibada interpret tau bada dum use tau ba yai haina ko mamang da ina panjagi ba ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯝꯕꯜꯁꯦ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯈꯤꯕꯗꯨ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯚꯔꯦꯟ ꯗꯦꯃꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯤꯛ ꯔꯤꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ 1976ꯀꯤ 42nd ꯑꯦꯃꯦꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅꯦ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯂꯤꯁ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯂꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯩꯗꯨ ꯑꯦꯗ ꯇꯧꯁꯔꯒ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯟꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ 5 ꯁꯨꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯕꯠ ꯐꯔꯁ ꯏꯠ ꯋꯥꯁ ꯖꯁ sovereign, democratic and republic neba. So magi maruoiba idea hairagadi preamble gi aina panjakiba marisni the source of the constitution, date of adoption, nature of the Indian state and objectives. So matang asida masi discussion ase lotion jarage to atopa masi matang da khangning lairas mayam dum question rest obirak by comment ko. So thank you for the class and matang gi class amo atopa topic ta mu thengnaras mayam. Thank you.